I love chicken salad, especially for a summer gathering or just to have in my fridge for a quick lunch. The recipe I use is really easy. Just take some shredded chicken. Most of the time I use rotisserie. I have a video I will link below on how to quickly debone a rotisserie chicken. To that chicken, I add some diced celery. Then I dice up a green apple. It doesn't have to be a green apple. Any kind will work. Just pick your favorite. Then sprinkle in some lemon juice. Normally I would dice up a red onion to add here, but I don't have one, so I'm just sprinkling in some onion powder. Next I add some grapes. I prefer the red because I like the color that it gives to the salad, but green works too. I love this little cutter. I use it for olives, grapes, cherry tomatoes. It slices them so quickly and evenly. I'll link it below as well. Then I add some chopped walnuts. You could substitute chopped pecans or even slivered almonds. Again, it's whatever you prefer. Now I add some Miracle Whip. This is just personal preference. You could use mayo or even plain Greek yogurt. Don't add too much. You don't want this to become soupy. Just add enough to make everything stick together. This is so yummy, especially served on fresh croissants or even these little pieces of naan bread. This makes such a refreshing lunch. You're going to love it. In the comments, let me know if you prefer mayo, Miracle Whip, or Greek yogurt. Thanks for watching.